Do you know the library has launched a new iBooking system? With the system, you can book computers, studios, online meeting rooms, group rooms, and iSpace facilities in one go. To start with, go to the library homepage and select iBooking from the sticky menu. Sign in according to your user type. Choose the date and time. Click Display Group to select the facility you want to book. You may reserve up to 4 sessions per day and select consecutive sessions in one single booking record. Then click Submit and confirm your bookings. You can add the booked events to your calendar as a reminder. There are different ways to check in the booked facilities. For online meeting room, one button studio or sound recording studio. Simply swipe your PolyU card on the check-in reader outside your reserved room. But for rooms intended for multiple users, like group room, group viewing room, or multimedia production studio, users are required to swipe their PolyU cards. The one who booked the room swipes his/her card first, followed by 2 other eligible users, within 15 seconds to claim the bookings. For computer and Bloomberg Workstation, just log in your reserved computer with your own account. For iSpace facilities, claim your bookings at the Technical Support Desk on Libraries 4F. Remember to confirm your check-in status on the iBooking system after you have claimed the facilities. Daily, weekly booking quota applies to online meeting rooms and studios. You are required to check in the reserved room within 10 minutes after the booking session starts. If you have booked consecutive sessions, make sure you check in the room within 10 minutes after the first session starts. If you fail to do so, all sessions in the same booking record will be marked as no-show. The room will be released to other users and the no-shows will count towards your booking quota. You can check your borrowing privileges and access rights to the library's e-resources, services, and facilities by clicking My Privileges on My Record page. If you foresee that you would not be able to show up for any reason, please ensure you cancel your bookings in advance to avoid using up your booking quota. And release the facilities to others as soon as possible. You can rebook the facilities if they are available. You could cancel the bookings directly from My Booking Record after you log into the iBooking system. Be considerate to other users. Swipe your card at the kiosk to check out the room promptly once you have finished using it. Here are 2 scenarios to consider. In the first scenario, if a student fails to check out the room within the booked session, no one else can use it even when it is empty. However, in the second scenario, if a student checks out immediately after use, another student can walk in and use the room after booking the session. Wait a few minutes for the status light to turn red before claiming the room.